Hello and welcome. This is our guide to the Bachelor's of Science in Microbiology and Immunology. I'm Rachel Berry,
I'm Matt Inlay.
and we're from the Department of Molecular Biology and Biochemistry, and we're the co-directors of this major. So microbiology and immunology is the study of microbes, which include things like viruses, bacteria, and parasites, as well as the immune system, which encompasses both your innate immunity and adaptive immunity, as well as host pathogen interactions. So the kinds of interactions that these microbes have with the hosts that they live inside of. For students that complete a degree in microbiology and immunology, there's a variety of different career paths that you can potentially go down. Many of our students end up in healthcare, so ending up in medical school or places like that, or in research, either doing basic science, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, or beauty and wellness research. They also end up in biotechnology, public health and public policy. Some folks may enter law and work in the intellectual property field, and other folks work in education. In terms of what the requirements are to declare a specialized major in the microbiology and immunology BS, typically applications for this major are available in spring, and students need to have junior or higher standing to be able to declare the major. Typically, our academic requirements are that you have a biology GPA of 3.0 or higher. However, if you're unsure of any of your academic qualifications for this major, it's always fine to reach out to us and talk to us about your specific situation. We do need you to have completed the core biology series from 97 to 99, and there are a few other change of major requirements that are listed on the UCI change of major page.
All right, so this is just a list of the courses that are required for the M&I major. So there are 3 lecture courses you'd be required to take. You can see them at the top. They're general microbiology, immunology with hematology, and virology. In addition, you have to take 2 of the 3 labs shown in the middle. So 2 out of those 3, so molecular biology lab, microbiology lab, or advanced immunology lab. And then lastly, you're required to take 6 elective courses. So some of those 6 are shown here at the bottom, but there are many, many other courses that qualify as electives for this major. Almost anything that has any connection to microbiology or immunology could be eligible. All right, and then this is a sort of sample curriculum, just so you could see an example of what a student who majored in M&I, what classes they would be taking in their junior and senior years. I should note they take all 3 of the elective classes, or sorry, all 3 of the required lecture classes in their junior year. And then they take 2 of the 3 in lab classes in their senior year, but you will notice they actually take all 3 labs in their senior year. And if you count all of the electives, there's actually 8 electives. So they take more than the required electives for this major. So this is just sort of a sample of what a student could take in this pathway. All right, so one of the benefits of being an M&I major is you get allowed to participate in some of the events that we organize. So for example, we host a sort of boba tea hour with M&I majors as well as the faculty that teach M&I classes. So we do this in the fall, and so these are pictures from our most recent one. And we host a how to get into a PhD program that occurs in the fall, where we guide you on sort of the steps of the application process and kind of what strategies make for winning applications. And then in the spring, we have a grad student panel to discuss why you should do a PhD program in the first place. So if anybody is considering a PhD program, this is a great panel to participate in. Then we also host a graduation party in June for M&I majors, and that's shared with the B and MB majors as well. And then we also are establishing a peer mentoring program to connect juniors and seniors for advice on classes and networking and career paths. All right. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
And if you have any more questions, you're welcome to contact either of us at any time.
Thank you.
Bye.